Hi friends, welcome back to Rachel Crochet. Today we are going to make male slippers, or you call it palms. Simple design. Just watch this video step by step. Let's go. So you make your knot. Here I'm using 4 size 9 green thread. So you start from here. From here, you work 25 chains. 25 chains. So continue working till you make 25 chains. You can see it. Then you fix here. Then a slip stitch. Then on the next stitch, you make a single crochet. Then you turn. So once you turn, you skip the 2 stitches on the sew. Then work on the 25 chains. At the end of the first row, you make a single crochet on the first 2 stitches of the sew. You turn and skip 1 stitch. Work 2 rows. Yeah, you can see it. So I'm now on the 3rd row. Skip 1 stitch, crochet on the next, single crochet. Then on the next stitch, you spike, crochet from the back. The next stitch, make a single crochet. The next stitch, you spike. So continue working with that to the end of this row. There you can see it. So at the end, you make a single crochet on the first and second stitch of the sew. On the second stitch, you make a single crochet too. Then you turn. So here you skip 1 stitch, crochet on the next stitch. So you work on 7 stitches now. 2, continue until you work 7 stitch. Then on the 8th stitch, you make a slip stitch like this. Then you turn. So once you turn, you skip the slip stitch you make. Don't crochet here. Then on the next stitch, you spike, crochet from the back like this. You spike. Then on the next stitch, you make a single crochet. Next stitch, you spike. The next stitch, you make a single crochet. So continue working with that to the end here. Yeah. So you work single crochet all through to the end. Work to the end of the row. You can see it. So you repeat what we did. What we did here, repeat it this side. There you can see it. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 spike this side, and this other side 4 spike. So you repeat it. That is exactly what we did on the opposite side. So you continue working. So I'm now on the 7th row from the side. Then on the middle, 5 row. So if you single crochet, you spike, work to the end. Yeah, you can see it. So you work single crochet all through to the end here. At the end, you make a single crochet on the first 2 stitches of the sew. You spike back. Yeah, you can see it. So here I have total of 2, 4, 6, 7 on the middle and 9 on both sides. 7 rows on the middle and 9 rows on both sides. There you can see it. So I'll be repeating what I have on this front belt. I will repeat it on this back belt. The difference is that I'll be starting the back one with 30 chains. Then I will increase both sides to 11 rows. Then the middle remain 7 rows. You can see it. You can see the both sides. The both sides 11. Then the middle. The middle is 7 rows. So that is all. Thanks for watching. Please, if you love this video, do wait to subscribe, like and share. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Thank you. Bye.